Hello everyone, in today's code we'll be looking at something called as conditional statements in Java. What do you mean by conditional statement? A conditional statement is a statement that helps you to choose to do or not to do something using a certain criteria. So I want to be able to decide or choose between more than one alternatives that can be done using conditional statements. There are two types of conditional statements. One is the if else statement, and the second statement is something called as the switch statement. So there are two types of conditional statements. Let's look at how they work. Firstly, we will be looking at the if else condition. So what I want to do is, my task is I want to take marks of a student and I want to show whether the student has passed or failed. So I need marks are numbers, so I'll say int marks. Okay, I want to take it from the user this time, since we've already learned scanner, so we will be using the scanner package again. Scanner, I create an object equals to new scanner, so it's going to accept the value whatever you've entered from the keyboard. So that's system dot in, so it will take the value from here, then it will put it. I'll ask user to enter the marks, so I'll say system dot out dot println, please enter marks. Okay, so please enter marks. Okay, looking at this, he's going to enter the marks, correct. Whatever he enters, I want it to get stored in the marks variable. So marks equals to sc dot, since this time I'm taking a number, that's an integer, I'll have to say next int. That means if I was taking a decimal value, I would say next double. If I was taking a string value, I'll just write next, like that. So depending upon what data type, I need to write the name here. Okay, now I will check something. So I will say if the marks that are given to me are more than or equals to 35. So anything 35 or anything more than 35, I wanted to show as congratulations, you've passed. So I want that to be shown, so I write that condition out here. So I'll say system dot out dot println congrats, you have passed. Okay, so only if your marks are more than 35, it will say congrats, you have passed. Okay, but what if your marks are not more than 35? So there's an else block out here. So else block is used in case if the condition does not meet, then the else block will be shown. So I am saying system dot out dot println. So if the marks are less than 35, it will say sorry, you have failed. Have failed. So you are choosing between whether the student has passed and failed based on the criteria. The criteria is the marks are supposed to be more than or equals to 35. So we are basically using this criteria for performing this certain task, correct. Okay, I'll just compile this. There's no syntax errors here. Okay, and if I try to execute, I'll just say void main, please enter some marks. So out here, if I enter anything more than 35, example 75, congrats, you have passed, correct. But on the other hand, if I would have entered something less than 35, example re-executing this, I'll say please enter marks, right. So I'll enter 10. Now 10 is less than 35, so sorry, you failed. So based upon the marks, if you write anything more than 35, it will say you've passed. If you write anything less than 35, you will say sorry, you failed, correct. Okay, so this is one type of conditional statements that we've done in Java.